Erin for Expo International, and today we're going to take a cute Parker parchment color jute tote bar bag that has a bar handle and also a regular handle and turn it into a fun summer tote perfect for you to take to the beach or the pool. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors, some Fabri-Tac glue, it's great stuff, and a few fun trims. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off my tag. Get that ready, and I'm going to layer up the top of my handle so it's facing upward because we're going to layer across this little line that's right here in the middle. I have two forms of trim. The first trim I have is this multicolored 2-inch shanty trim, and it comes in a beautiful range of colors. It just reminds me of summer. I also have the chainette fringe trim in 4 inches, and this happens to be in yellow gold. Just reminds me again of that big bright fun summer colors, but there is a ton of different colors of the chainette trim that you can pick out for yourself. All links are going to be down below for where you can find these beautiful trims along with the names of all of them. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out the length, and when you get your trims from Expo International, they do come in a nice big roll and you get a ton of it for a very low price. I mean, just look at how much. You could make a ton of these bags and give them away as gifts. We're going to measure out the length of our trim, and I'm going to go a little bit longer so I don't shortchange myself. And when you first get this fringe trim, this colorful one, the shanty one, it comes with a line across the bottom, and all you need to do is snip it on one end. I already did so over here, and then just pull it free, and that's how you get your fringe, just like that. There it is, pretty simple. Do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and trim off. Again, I'm going to cut a little bit extra to give myself some room to groove. You can easily cut off the section and you got plenty to work with. First one we're going to put down is going to be the longer trim. You want to make sure it's nice and even. Take a little bit of your Fabri-Tac glue. This is washable, so you could easily get this wet and it will be absolutely fine. And you're going to put a nice good bead of glue towards the top layer, right across here. Just a nice good bead going all the way across the trim. There we go. I'm only going to decorate one side of this bag, but you could easily do both sides if that strikes your fancy. So I'm just going to lay this across. And if you remember, I did cut my trim to be a little bit longer, so that way I wouldn't shortchange myself as I was putting this on here. There we go. Now, you could leave your bag just like this, super pretty, but I love the dual colors together. So I'm going to come in now and just trim off that little bit of excess trim that's on there. Make sure it's right at the right length for where I want it. Trim that down. Next step is we're going to take our top fringe and just layer it right on top so you have a dual fringe action going on here. So I'm going to take the glue, and this does not take a super long time to dry, so it'll be ready within at least an hour, easily. Take another layer of the glue, go right on top of the first seam, that top seam that you have. We're going to layer them together. Nice good bead of glue going all the way across. Make sure there are no gaps. I just had a gap there, so I'm going to go back over and make sure I have a nice good amount of glue on there. And then just layer this trim right on top. There it is, just like that. Hiding the first trim with the second trim that's on top, the second fringe. Come in, cut off the excess. You don't want to have it hanging off the edge of your bag. Come over here, do the same thing. Better to have a little bit extra than be a little shortchanged. Always cut a little more than you need. And that's it. Super simple. You could not get easier with this gorgeous bag, and it is already partly set. I'm going to get some close-up pictures for you so you can see this standing upright, and a beautiful fun summer tote that is personalized with the colors of your choice. Don't forget there's a multitude of other fun colors that you can pick out. Variety of rainbows. There's at least 20 different ones, and they all match up beautifully with this rainbow fringe trim that you can get from Expo International. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you again later. Bye-bye.